Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia K5. This is the EX model, so a very good middle high range trim. Above this, of course, is the GT with its 290 horsepower. This one has the 1.6 liter turbo, putting out 180 or so horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. So very, very good. Definitely one of the better powertrains in the segment. Based, of course, on the same platform as the Sonata, the K5 is an absolute game changer. All of the materials in here are absolutely phenomenal. LED lighting, of course, the wood grain trim. This one's passion red over black interior, 8-speed automatic. Options in here, panoramic sunroof, the gray alloy wheels, Sirius XM. The passion red's an option, and the EX Premium package, which includes the navigation with the 10.25 inch touchscreen, which we'll get into once we get in the car. Bose premium audio, power front passenger seat, heated steering wheel, forward collision avoidance assist, cyclist and junction turning. That's pretty cool. So if you're turning into a junction and there's a car right there, it will stop the car. Pretty ingenious. Smart cruise control, highway driving assist, safe exit assist with power child lock. So if a car is flying up, it will give you a warning to not open the door. But yeah, this is a really, really good car. Definitely a game changer for the market. Excellent trunk space in here. Normally I try not to open the trunk, but because it's so new, we'll go ahead and open it up. The back of the car looks absolutely phenomenal. No complaints there. Definitely I can tell a little bit of the Stinger DNA is in there, especially in the rear haunches with that little vent-esque. But absolutely beautiful. My favorite part about the car is definitely the front end and these running lights. I mean, it is so distinctive. You have 4 nice LED headlights, but the amber marker light that goes out and up, oh, it is absolutely beautiful in person. This is actually my first K5 that I had seen in the flesh, so we're going through it at the same time as everyone else here. Total price on this one comes to $32,955, which is a bargain once you see this interior. What's nice is your hand can fit right nicely in here. Just absolutely phenomenal. That nice wood trim, fully automatic windows. Nice center console. Oh, that's pretty cool. So if you have a big phone, it can fall right down in there and it'll hold it in place so it doesn't slide around. Ventilated seats, heated seats, and then look at this infotainment system. It's just so responsive. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's just so good. I mean, look at that. That is just so cool. That's awesome. But we'll go ahead, take it for a drive. I do love how these are like 3 bulbs. It's just, oh, this could be a $60,000 car. It's absolutely fantastic. And the rear view camera is absolutely superb. Very good quality. We're going to drive it in sport mode. You have custom, smart, normal, and sport. The 1.6 liter turbo is shared with the new Hyundai Sonata because, of course, they're platform mates. It definitely puts an emphasis on daily driving and kind of torque around town rather than top-end power, which I think is perfect for the segment. The segment, it's not about who has the highest horsepower numbers. With the GT, you know, replacing the Optima Turbo, it's definitely going to be up there. But this is a game changer. This really is taking on the Accord and the Camry, and it stepped up the game. I'm a big fan of the new Sonata. I definitely like how it drives, and of course this drives quite similar. Eight-speed automatic is phenomenal. No complaints there. Shifts nice and quick, just like a dual clutch would. It was funny because when I grabbed the plate, the guys at the dealership, they were like, hey, you're gonna love this thing. It is a phenomenal car. And they are 100% right. You know, I think the GT is gonna put a real pressure on people who are looking at the Stinger GT line. Definitely people who are going to be looking at the Accord Sport. I think it's really going to take that throne down, and it's really going to put some pressure on your base 3 Series, like the 328, the 330i with the 4-cylinder motor. I think it's really going to put some pressure on BMW and the Germans to really step up their game. Because, you know, for $33,000 to get this level of refinement, this level of luxury, and these looks that, frankly, when I drove to the location, it turns a lot of heads. It doesn't look like any other car on the road. It really has set itself apart, especially in the front end. What's nice is on the speedometer cluster, it has a pulse. So you'll kind of see that reddish glow underneath, and it has a pulse. You know, when you're driving quicker, it speeds up. When you're just relaxed, it slows down. It has a pulse like a human being. And of course it does have your highway drive assist, so it'll keep you centered in the lanes. Handling, very good. Nice neutral chassis. A little bit of understeer at the limit, but other than that, very good. Overall, I really think Kia has changed the game. I can't think of a better mid-size sedan. You know, Toyota, Honda, you guys are gonna really have to step up your game. I mean, this is starting to take on Lexus rather than Toyota. Kia, you have nailed the market once again. I'm very curious to see how quickly this goes off our dealer lots. And of course, once we get more in, I'll start to drive the line up a little bit more, starting with our base model, all the way up to the GT once we get one of those in. But for now, you can't ask for much more from the K5. You really can't. This car is very, very good. And it really shows how far Kia has come. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video.